guys? Welcome back to the 100K challenge. Now this is, I've received about 4 or 5 different text messages saying, how do I email my leads? Okay, because the emails do not come preloaded. Because what you're doing is building out the funnel yourself. So you've got once you've set up your ClickFunnels funnel, people are going to opt in here. Okay, the system doesn't automatically email them. You're responsible for setting that up. Okay, because remember we have added the email here. We've connected that. The list that I created was Tour 4, okay? Now we can add emails to automatically go out to Tour 4, or we can broadcast them live to the world, okay? So let me show you the difference here. Log into your GetResponse or your Aweber, okay? Notice right here it'll say your current campaign, set that to Tour 4 or the one you named, right? So once you set that, you are ready to customize this campaign. Under messages, you can create a newsletter. A newsletter is a simple live broadcast out to your list. Okay, so that'll go out, and you could choose any or all your leads if you create a newsletter that you want to send out right now. Okay, and then create autoresponder or manage autoresponder. That means that you want to create a auto response for the people who opt into that list. Okay, so click on Messages, Auto Response. Okay, later on, in order to manage all these emails that go out, you can say Manage the emails. Okay, these are just auto responses that go out to your list. Once you've clicked on Create, you will see that you can set your email to go out on day right away, or wait a day, or 2 days, or 3 days, or 7 days, or 90 days. You can load up 90 days of emails if you want, okay? But there are so many really cool tricks that we're gonna go over during these 90 days that by the time you finish this 90 days, you are gonna be one powerful marketer online, because you're gonna know what 99.9% of the marketers don't know about this. Okay, so pay attention to these right here. Normally you're going to go time-based. Okay, so immediately is 0, 1 day or 2 days or 7 days. If somebody clicks an email, so if on the previous email you can say, guess what? If somebody opens my email, I'm going to send them a little quick message. Okay, so if somebody opens your email, and you can send out a new message saying, hey, I just noticed you opened my email. Okay, well, just let me know by replying to this email. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm very happy. I'm ready to get on the phone, answer any questions that you have, or see. So that's what that is for. Clicked means if they clicked a link, that means the email was intriguing enough that they clicked the link, and you can also send them an email too. So this is for people who click the link. So this is only going to go out for people who click it. This one's only going to go out to people who opened your previous email. Okay. So today we're going to just put time-based emails. We want one to go out immediately. This is that campaign, Tour 4. And then this is where you can delay it. Okay. So you can delay it in a couple of hours. You can also set the days that you want it to go out with. So if you think that Fridays are not a good day, boom, just set it up. I've got all of mine checked. Okay. Notice here it says create new email. Okay. What I want to show you is that when you create the new email, this is going to go out immediately. You could give it a name like email number 1 for Tour 4. So you could do this, email number 1. Okay. Intro. Okay. And then the subject line. Now go inside your back office. Okay, over here to the left, you will see promo tools. Okay, here's the first funnel that we have under promo tools. Okay, I want you to notice that there are email swipes for cold list or solo ads. Okay, so here some of those emails already for solo ads, and then here's your swipes for your warm market. Okay, this is what's going to go over here. Do you see the subject line? Boom, right click and copy, right click and paste. Okay, see, so you could do that, and then you could say You could also, I like sometimes using these brackets like open now, most powerful marketing strategy ever. See, and then you can say next, and then that's going to go to your templates. Okay. So my favorite one is either the plain text or the HTML code editor. Okay. Let's just do plain text for now. And then here is the first email, and then you're going to customize it however you'd like. Okay. So that's going to go here. You're going to right click and paste that. Okay. And so notice that you need to add your link here and add your name and add your link here. Okay. Remember, this is going to go to your sales presentation. Okay. So here's the links here on the side. This is going to go to your sales presentation. Okay. So you want to copy that, and let's go ahead and put that, return that, delete that out, and then right click and paste. You can also Control V. It's also a paste method. Okay, so you could right click to paste or Control V, and that'll paste that in there. Here's another one, Control V pastes. It's easy. And then here is your kind of like your tagline. My personal favorite, I like doing share and conquer, and because then people know that that's my tagline, and then I'm a high performance coach. Okay, and then you do one PS. You know, our team training is top notch. I was able to set up my 7 income stream system within 10 minutes. Okay, and surprise, you're now receiving this email as a result of the training. See? So that's one. And then you can also add, what I also like to do is add how to contact you, you know, how to connect with me, Number one, reply this email with questions. Okay. Business should be this easy, right? Okay. 2, text me at 657. Okay, that's that one. 3, connect with me on Facebook. And then here's my Facebook link. Okay. Let's see, Kit Elliott Live. Boom, that's it. Okay, so you got your email in. This is the first one. You're going to test it out. Notice the little test button there. You can send a test message to yourself. Boom, pick an email address, send it. Done. Okay. Now you can actually go to your email, check it, and test it out. Okay. I personally know from experience that this it looks really phenomenal. I also like just to add a few spaces there because they do have the unsubscribe buttons and stuff that will display down here. Okay. So just do a quick one up just to check it for spelling, check it for make sure everything looks good. If you want to customize it or personalize it, you can say personalize with your first name, last name, emails. Anything here you can personalize with your customer's name. You can insert their name anywhere here. Okay, but this looks perfect. Let's go to the next step. Okay, now you'll see it here. Here's the autoresponder name. We want to save and publish that out. It's going to go out immediately, right? So there's that. There's one subscriber on there. Yes, send them the message. Okay, I just sent that out. So that must be me who opted in. Okay, so this is what I love about this is under Manage Autoresponder. This is what I love about this. Let's say that you have 90 days of emails. You've added 90 days of emails. Well, what's going to happen is all your emails are going to show up here and set to the days. So that's going to go out immediately. This would be 1 day. If there was an email there, it would show 1 day. 7 days would go out right here. 20 days would go out here. So you could set this to go out as much as possible. I do like to kind of hit it, at least 4 times a week, 3 to 4 times a week. A lot of people do the 2 or 3 times per day. A lot of people do not like to receive a lot of emails. Okay. They only want to receive like important emails or time sensitive things that people have going on. So if you scroll over here, you'll see that this is turned on. So that's going to go out immediately. Okay. Then you could edit this at any time here with this little icon. You could view the statistics of people who have opted in and seen. You could view it online. You could delete it. See, so this one's ready to go. Okay, so over here, same thing. You can go to promo tools. You can do the same thing. You can click on this number, and you can set another email here. Okay, boom. Here's your subject. Here's your email. You can set it to that's it. It's automatically going to go out. Let's say that you saw one of your leaders. There's about 4 or 5 leaders that are sending out emails. You're like, man, that is a really cool email. I want to send that to my leads. How do I do that? All you have to do is let's broadcast it out immediately. You go to create newsletter. Okay, and here's your drag and drop your email editors here. Same thing. You could be like, Tuesday broadcast. Okay, and then your subject line, live, system, how to get set up, how to set up your system. Okay. See, so I just made that up. I mean, normally, like if you see in your emails, you can actually go through the subject lines and see which ones actually get your attention. So if they get your attention, chances are they're going to get your leads' attention. So that's the beauty of the internet. Nothing is copyrightable. You could easily go, great, I love that subject line. I'm going to pop that in there. Okay, you're going to go next step. Okay, same thing here. You're going to go to your plain text. Everything walks exactly through. Okay, this is a test message here. Okay, so if you want to broadcast to your link, or you could copy and paste somebody else's email message and customize it with your link. Things like that. I mean, little tricks like that if you want to, because the copy here and the email copy, that's very easy to duplicate over here, and then press next. Okay, so you're going to choose the campaign. The tour 4 was mine, and then or you could choose all of your lists, and that'll go out to everybody. Okay, or if you have buyers already, you can set up buyers and exclude them from receiving the emails, right? And you press next step, and you can, and that's when the next will summarize it, and it'll tell you where to send it. Okay, but that's really it. It's very easy, and then if you need any help, just leave a comment below, and then that'll tell me like how deep and in depth I need to go with this particular training. So thanks a bunch, and let's get those emails out to your leads, and let's start seeing some conversion rates and increase those conversion rates. And remember what I talked about, set some process goals and improve that process. This is part of that process, improving the emails, improving your communication with your leads, and connecting with your leads and signups. So I'll see you on the next training video. So now go ahead and send an email to your leads. Thanks a bunch.